What is going on, guys? It's our RdnRacing and welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got the 2016 Subaru WRX STI from the Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious series. So this is car number 505. And here are the other 4 cars in the collection. Obviously we've got the Honda Civic EG, the RX-7, the S15, the Silvia, and the 240SX, otherwise known as S14. Now, out of these 5 cars, obviously the Honda Civic is a very popular and well sought after car, but I have never understood why people don't go after this. I think this is an amazing casting. It's a casting that people just like sleep through. They don't really give a lot of attention to, but I think this is worth it, and I'm going to actually show you all about it. So I actually already cut the plastic out to make the process a bit faster. And here we have it, the 2016 version of the Subaru WRX STI. So obviously, as you guys know, a lot of you know, this is actually the base model of the rally car, which I think is amazing. I love rally cars. They are just a different breed of awesome, and this car, it's no different. So right off the bat, the paint job is what you guys can see. If the interior was white, it could have been called a triple white car, but it's not. Let's call it a double white vehicle, because it's white rims and white paint job. So anyways, rims, check this out. The wheels spin amazingly well, and the rims, they're immaculate. These are really nice rims, and I absolutely love these rims. I think they look amazingly well for this car. Obviously we've got a spoiler, which we'll get back to in a bit. 4 doors, because it's a normal car. That you have rear passenger seats and right passenger seat, that kind of stuff. You guys can see the fenders actually flatter a little for the rear and the front as well. Side skirts, nothing much to talk about here. Obviously we've got the ring mirrors as well, and if you look at the front, here's where it gets a bit interesting, at least because you've got front headlights which are painted on. They are not plastic temples, they're printed on. We've got the Subaru logo right there, the STI logo, or the emblem, which is supposed to be there in red. And then we've got the roof vents, the hood vents, sorry, and the roof scoop as well, which just gives this car its look. You know, it's a menacing look, and it looks really amazing. And I am a huge Subaru fan, I must say. My friend drives a Subaru as well, and I think the cars, they're actually very nice cars. They consume a bit too much fuel though, I must say, but all in all, I think this car is really, and I think people deserve to have this in their collection. And if you look at the other side, the same details, wheels spin amazingly well, the door situation, the wing mirror, nothing much. If you guys have noticed, there's actually an indentation in the side window right there. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. I don't know what that is for. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below. Maybe it's some rally event kind of thing. I have no idea, so let me know what it means. And then if look at the rear of this vehicle, it's a very nice vehicle because it's quite girthy, it's quite wide, and we've got a rear spoiler as well, the Subaru logo, the license plate which is empty, and then the exhaust pipe. And if you look at the bottom of the vehicle, I would say I don't know what to feel about this bottom, but I think it's adequate. I think it's enough. Obviously we've got some printing errors on the front part of the vehicle right there, the front bumper, but besides that, the base, it's a decent base. It's a matte finished, and it says 2016 Subaru WRX STI. The exhaust pipe at the back, which is the important part, right, because it gives the car the volume. And guys, one thing I think it deserves some mention is the tires. The tires are threaded. I don't know why, but it just feels that much amazing to have threaded tires, and tires that are so nice in this car. And I think, yeah, it's just an amazing thing to have. And all in all, I'm a huge fan of this car. I think collectors should get this more often. You should give give this casting a chance in your collection, because I think this is really worth it. And yeah, it's a rather fast one, because I don't really have much to talk about. There aren't much details in it. It's a quite basic car. So yeah, we're gonna do a few rolling shots now, and I'll see you at the end. we've come to another video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I actually had an amazing time unboxing this vehicle. It is gonna go insanely well in my collection. But just so I guess this video is over, I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Bye.